In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wallet in Brave browser. Brave Wallet is built right into the browser, so you don't need to install any extensions or worry about extra add-ons. It's designed to be fast, secure, and simple once you know where everything lives. First, open Brave Wallet. You can do this by clicking the small wallet icon at the top right of the Brave browser window. If you don't see it or prefer a direct path, type Brave Wallet into the address bar and hit enter. That will take you straight to the wallet home screen. Next, you'll set up your wallet. You'll see two options. If you're new, choose to create a new wallet. You'll be asked to set a strong password. This password is used to unlock the wallet on your device. It does not replace your recovery phrase. After that, Brave will show you a recovery phrase. Write it down and store it offline in a safe place. This phrase is the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Never share it, and don't store it in plain text online. If you already have a wallet elsewhere, choose Import Existing Wallet and paste your recovery phrase from a compatible wallet, such as one you've used before. Make sure you're in a private space when you do this. Once you're set up, you can add or receive crypto. Inside Brave Wallet, go to Accounts, then choose Receive. You'll see your wallet address. Copy it and use it wherever you're sending funds from, like an exchange or another wallet. You can receive assets on networks like Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana if you've enabled it. Always match the network you're sending on with the one your address is expecting. Different networks can use different address formats, and sending to the wrong network may result in lost funds. After sending, give the network time to confirm the transaction. To send crypto, click Send inside Brave Wallet. Paste the recipient's address carefully, choose the amount, and review the details. You'll see an estimated network fee, often called gas. Fees vary based on the network and how busy it is. Double check the network, the asset, and the address before you confirm. If you're sending a large amount, consider testing with a small transfer first to be safe. When everything looks good, confirm the transaction and wait for it to complete. That's it. You've opened Brave Wallet, set it up, received funds, and sent crypto securely and confidently, all inside the browser you already use.